Hey everybody, and what is up? If you want to switch between the WhatsApp account on your phone and you're looking out for solutions, today we are going to guide you exactly through the process. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in. Open up WhatsApp application for that. And once you open up your WhatsApp, look out for the three dot or the more options in the top right corner and select it. And once you select it, you can look out for the switch account option directly and select the account you want to switch to. Or if not this, you can just go over to settings, and within your settings you can look out for the option of plus at the side, select it, and then usually you should be finding your profile here. You can just go over and switch over to the profile that you would like to switch. Or if your account is not added, you can look out for this option called add WhatsApp account and select it. And when you do, you should be taken to the WhatsApp login screen where you need to add up your credentials to add up an account. So tap on agree and continue, and you can just go over and follow up the process. So enter up your phone number and verify it, and once you verify it, you will be seeing a list of accounts at the bottom. You can just go over and tap on the one that you want to switch to, and that's it. So therefore everybody, these are the method you can follow up if you'd like to switch between the WhatsApp accounts on your phone, which is pretty quick and easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.